Kurengana ama onokorwekana kwa morembe ama kwa barikia mangana mayani gobono nomo acting deputy county commissioner okisi ateberebuna serikali nigera chikwene kyabuna abarikia mangana nkwene keribubale gosenko bekirubale obolendi voiceine asechinga kiechechyo ni gomo county commander okisi omanyakaine bana Charles Kasesi aboli abanyanyimbo gosika richiko nakoboli abarikia mangana kwene kinga kende gionsi bagotumago cyase bitaseni byabo ngebwato bwene gosenke bwenerete oroboti oruti atorinyora senchira yobo ikirano no mosakyo ito Shadrack asobotambe
kubotekana no kumizo kwa bararie kirogyo korobekana ukokogenderete emeyensa ya Kenya nigo rero iga abararia bonsi banyara gokoro korobekana ko morembe bagukurira abanyinyimbo abo babeire bakoborotera chitiagasa na abande kunyara koraswa amasasi. Abararia imeye county ya Kisii nigo barobekana wika obisio county commissioner Kisii Central abwase omokonyo ye Felistas Gubau abaenekeria buna ebirero byabo mbikigwe asomo county commissioner.
Kwa majina naitwa Felistas Gubau. Currently I'm the acting deputy county commissioner Kisii Central. Ninataka kusema kwamba wakati mmeandamana kuweza kukuja hapa that you are within your rights na kwamba rights zenyu kama wanahabari ziko kwa sheria na zinafaa kuwa protected, so it is your right kuweza kufika hapa leo. So ninataka kuwaambia kwamba kama ofisi ya county commissioner tumeweza kusikia malalamishi yenu na tumeweza kusikia vile ambavyo mnataka, na my county commissioner ameweza kustep out on official duty but ataweza kurudi. Akirudi I'll make sure kwamba nimeweza kuwasilisha malalamishi yenu na kwamba ataweza kuwasikiza.
Boigo nigo ainekebuna oburendi bwa bararia mbochie kwenekigwa kigima.
Ninawahakikishia kutoka kwa ofisi ya county commissioner, ninawahakikishia kwamba usalama wenu kama journalist wakati mnavyofanya kazi yenu. Kwa hivyo hakuna mtu anafaa kuwasumbua ama kuwaweza kuingilia kazi yenu. Ninyi mko kwa kazi yenu na kazi ambayo iko kwa sheria. Kwa hivyo usalama wenu kabisa, we are assuring you of your security while you go around within your duties.
Abuabo nigo omo county commander w'abanyanyimbo Charles Kasesi abatebya abararia kobwatia richiko asechinga kicho gokora oburaria.
I'm aware why you are here. We received your request this morning, memorandum, that you are demonstrating because of some reasons which you are making some allegations that your colleagues were harassed, I don't know, but we urge you that we need to respect the law. This is our country, we need to respect the law. We are also citizens of this country. In terms of reporting, we need to be responsible.
Boigo nigo abasaba abararia kobwaterana n'abanyanyimbo elio gotanga abanyanyimbo gosona na gosaria emeroberio ya abararia.
We support you and we also need to work together. This is our country. Whatever is happening, we must bear in mind.